Alright, good morning, you guys. It is Friday the 21st. We took another winning trade today. Great way to end the week off after a terrible Tuesday and Wednesday. So basically coming into the day when we were doing our pre-market, I noticed we had this hourly gap that was not filled yet. So I wanted to at least come down and fill this gap. And so I got on and saw we swept these highs up here, and we retraced to equilibrium. Again, this was a pre-market trade. My optimal entry would have been right there, but we did not have any inverse fair value gaps, so I waited till we inverse this fair value gap to then once we inverse that with this candle, I waited to see how this candle moved. We got a huge down wick, and I was like, okay, I missed this trade. Oh, well. But this candle came up, and we almost top wicked it. Not quite. Then we sat in drawdown for about literally 20 minutes. We were just chipping away. And then we broke the trend right here, and I was like, this trade might be done. We did de-risk today. That's why we only made $120 today. But we had this candle. I think this candle saved our trade right here. Ended up breaking us down, breaking structure to the downside, which helped us a lot. And then we came, and then I had to take profit at these lows, and this was my break-even point. And at this point, it was 726. I was like, I need to be break-even before market opens. As you can see, market sold off like it did the last few days. I didn't think that was going to happen. I debated about leaving a runner down to these lows right here. But again, we were bullish on all time frames. I thought we were just going to have a little retracement to this gap and then take off. So that's why I placed my, we'll make this bigger, sorry. That's why I placed my take profit in this gap. Because I thought we were going to kind of fill it in and take off, but sold off like always. But it is nice to catch a move like this. It was pretty clear to me. I needed to see an inverse fair value gap first because we didn't have any on the 5 minute yet. This was where I entered, so you can see this was the main one we needed, and this was a 5 minute fair value gap that I had marked out. So pretty clean trade. Definitely took a little longer, but that's the risk of trading pre-market. Whenever I do trade pre-market, I definitely will be de-risking a lot, but I just had a feeling this was as high as we were gonna get for now. It gave me the setup I wanted to see. We hit equilibrium, and yeah, so I thought it was a great entry. Took it. Now I know next time, I keep saying I'm going to do it. I know you guys have heard me say it, but I need to leave a runner somewhere. Maybe if it was even these lows, I just need to start leaving a runner. But I don't want to get too greedy when it comes to that. That's the only problem. So I need to do a little back testing and see how that will work. But yeah, no, great to catch this move. I'm feeling great about my strategy. I'm still going to be looking for a mentorship. Probably gonna, I found something I like. Probably gonna join that Monday. But yeah, no, great way to end the week off. We are up on this account $200 now. Hoping we can ride this little win streak through next week. Hit some big wins, and hopefully we're passing this account within the next month. But yeah, just got to be smart with my risk. But yeah, we're feeling good. Longs might even come into play today, but I think I'm done trading because of PMI. But yeah, no, probably shouldn't have traded today because of the red news. But again, had an A+ setup, de-risked. I took my chance, and it ended up playing in my favor. So hopefully I'm going to have a little day in the life coming out to you guys probably Sunday. But got some vacations coming up. Going to be getting some content, talking with a friend, we're going to be getting more content for you guys as well. So, yeah, I'm excited to see what comes. This trading kicks off and this channel takes off. Dude, that would be great. But I'm going to keep grinding. I'm going to keep back testing, doing everything I need to do, focus on trading. But I'm also going to do a little content with this guy for you guys. Because I enjoy doing this. I think it's so fun sitting here editing and then filming all this stuff. I'm a little awkward with the camera still, but nothing wrong with that. But great way to end the week, boys. Nice little 2-to-1. Oh, whoops. Did not mean to do that, but you guys already saw whatever. Nice little 2-to-1 to end the week. End the week up in profit. Yeah. Have a great weekend, boys. I'll see you Monday.